vlog!
Hi, vlog. Bagwid.
Okay, so what's in my bag challenge?
Dapat ako mag-check.
Okay, pero come here. Hindi mo na siya kukunin. Come here lang.
Okay, so meron kang... Ano to?
This is my case.
Okay.
My case.
So meron siyang makabagong camera.
Digicam.
Meron siyang... Siyempre. Essential.
Sunny's tumbler.
With Casibon.
Dapat cake yun.
Dalawa ng Casibon, grabe.
Tapos meron siyang...
Ano kasi niya?
Man yung pangalan ng pusa niya. Pero ang pangalan ng
Sunblock.
Para sa kanya.
No, this is for all the people here. Except me.
Fan and speaker. Okay, done.
No, not yet done, love.
Not yet.
It's not yet done.
Pakita mo yung brand ng bag.
Hindi.
Bawal.
So, this is our electronics bag. Fan without charge. Without battery. Speaker, JB.
May pang ilang alien na lang speaker na yan. Pang tatlo na.
Yeah. And then, Sunny's specs. And then I have my vlogging pouch. And then power bank. And then another sunblock. Eye drops.
Oops. Sorry.
And this is my aesthetic pouch. Hand cream, inhaler, wipes, meds,
Alam ko may ganyan din ako eh.
and band-aid. So that's it. What's in your bag, hobby?
Bawal.
Okay, we cannot bag rate him. Cut the vlog. Bye.
Meron